Yes, 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 the garden is coming in. We are putting compost down, mulch, and all that good stuff. Let's check this pH out. Let's see if you guys can see that. Boom. Alrighty. And that's all compost from our livestock that we keep. Mulch is from our trees that we take down from our woods. So cardboard is, well, from deliveries. Yeah, you know. So organic, organic, and organic again. So that's how we're gonna try to do it. No dig. We're going the no dig, no till. Right? Lasagna method. Let's do this, man.